Hi, my name is Jakob, and I'm just going to talk to you a bit about why I use the razor pit. The razor pit is a sharpener for my razor blades. Um, I have to shave every day because I work in a bank, so I have to be closely shaved. It's a matter of trust, of course. And for me, it's very important that the blades are sharp because I have quite sensible skin, and when the blades aren't sharp, they start tearing my neck, and I get a lot of red down here, which I don't like very much, of course. Um, I find it quite easy to use. I can't explain how it works, how this rubbery surface makes it sharp, but it certainly works. Before I had to change the blades every 7 to 10 days because of my sensible skin. Now I start using this every day when the blades are about 5, 6, 7 days old, and it starts to sharpen. And why this rubber is making it sharper, I can't explain, but it certainly works. So it's saving me a bundle because now I can wait to change my blades every 6, 7, 8 weeks perhaps, sometimes 2.5 months, because I use the razor pit.